You know those days when you want to go outside, but at the same time you don't want to go outside because you're in your comfy clothes and you can't be bothered to change? Well, that's when a balcony comes in handy, and no balcony is complete without patio furniture. To complete my balcony, I needed patio furniture. I needed something affordable, not cheap, we don't do cheap, and modern, with a hint of warmth. I searched and I came across this patio set from Ikea called the Tärnö. Forgive my Swedish. I instantly fell in love, but I was a bit hesitant. It seemed too good to be true. So I did what any sensible person would do and took a trip to Ikea to see it in person. And it checked out. These were super affordable. I had to pinch myself. The Tärnö is made from solid acacia wood and stained steel. I will say, this is by far the easiest set of IKEA furniture I've ever assembled. Mostly because no assembly is needed. You just slide the chairs open and secure the legs of the table with the pins. The Tärnö is a steal as it combines quality and affordability. You can even spot the Tärnö at many trendy cafes. An individual chair costs 15 Canadian dollars and the table costs 20 Canadian dollars, or 19.99 to be exact. Comfort. You may not be able to tell, but the chairs are quite comfortable, even without seat cushions. Overall, this patio set is very sturdy. I haven't experienced any issues so far, and I've owned this set for months. If the Tärnö patio set suits your style, I recommend you get it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I am Tärnö. Subscribe!